Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys already know who it is. It's your girl Megan Drexel back with another video for you guys today. I am so stoked to be showing you guys what is inside my skincare refrigerator. Yes, you guys already knew I was extra, but did you guys know I was that extra? Today's video is also sponsored by TEAMI Blends. They are a lifestyle brand that creates wellness products inspired by teas. They are 100% natural, pesticide-free, as well as cruelty-free. They offer a huge variety of products from tea blends to skincare. I also have a discount code for you guys. It's Drexel25. You guys will receive 25% off of a $24 purchase or more. I would like to mention that the skincare fridge is actually included in my discount code. You guys can find my discount code and the link down in the description box. Without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Okay, so right off the bat, you guys, I just want to mention, just as a disclaimer, all the products that you guys will see are not going to work for everybody simply because we're all different skin type. My skin type is combination. I am very oily through my T-zone and very dry everywhere else. I actually got this for Christmas from my boyfriend. I'd been wanting a skincare refrigerator for some time and he came through with this one. This little refrigerator is so cool, you guys, so let me tell you. It came with a carport that you guys can actually take this refrigerator with you on the road. I know, it's crazy. Not only is it a refrigerator, but you can also keep things hot in there, okay? So if you guys are road tripping it up during summer when we're all off this quarantine, you guys can actually use this to keep some food warm, or if you guys just want to put some drinks in there to ensure that you guys always have cold drinks while on the road. I thought that was really awesome, and I love the fact that it came with all these cute little stickers. I decided to put some on the front, so without me blabbling on some more, let me just show you guys what's inside the fridge. So you actually open the refrigerator up from the side. So once you guys actually open up the skincare fridge, you'll notice that they have a little tray right here, right on the back door. Right here, I decided to put some cucumber hydro soothing eye pads that I found at Forever 21. I'm such a sucker for eye pads, you guys. My eyes are so dry all the time. So you guys already know I had to pick these up. I am just in love with eye pads. I also have some of my Sephora skincare masks. This one, this pink one, is my favorite. This is their Pearl face mask. It's perfecting and brightening. I feel like this is a really great face mask to wear before you put on makeup. I find that I prefer it more so before makeup. So yeah, that's how I like to use it. And then of course I had to be bougie and put my Tatcha face mask in here. I love to keep my naturally good for you face masks in here. This is my overnight hydrate booster mask. This is just kind of like a very intense moisturizer face mask that you can sleep with. If you guys suffer from dry skin like I do, then this is a really great product that I love to have on hand at all times. Another face mask that I like to use from them is Clear Your Skin. It's Fruit Enzyme Cream Mask. This one has aloe leaf juice, pineapple, papaya, sweet orange essential oils in it, and I find that this face mask in particular keeps my face at bay. So if I have maybe 1 or 2 breakouts, it really helps just kind of like pull them out onto the surface and heal them just a little bit quicker. And then this is the Calm and Relieve Mask with hemp seed oil, coconut oil, grapeseed, and spirulina extract and CBD oil. So this one helps calm inflammation of the skin. So if you guys feel like your skin's getting a little red, it's a little irritated, you have several breakouts, to just kind of help keep the redness at bay, that's why I like to use this. As well as I feel like if my skin's freaking out and I'm breaking out quite a bit, this helps me like kind of calm down those breakouts. I wouldn't say that it fully puts a stop to them, but it does really help calm my skin down. I also love to keep my setting sprays in here, so I keep my e.l.f. Soothing Face Mist as well as my Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. I just feel like these are really great sprayed on the face when they're cold. And I just feel like one of the huge benefits of this little skincare fridge is keeping my setting sprays super cold. Some of the other products that I like to keep on my top shelf are my tools. So this of course is my jade roller, and then this is my under eye roller, because you guys know I love me a very good hydrated massaged in eye cream. And I mean, I saw this little eye roller at Forever 21. I was like, I need that. So moving on to the second shelf, I'm just going to show you guys super quickly. I have my little Drunk Elephant Babyfacial Resurface and Reveal face mask that you wear for about, I think, 10 to 20 minutes. There is a little bit of steaming process that goes on with this guy, but it's really cool. It has 25% AHAs in them as well as 2% BHAs, so that's more of like a resurfacing type of face mask. It just kind of helps decongest. I specifically really like this product just to help with like decongesting my skin. I feel like I get a lot of makeup buildup in my chin, and that helps me a lot with bringing that out and getting rid of it. So just be very careful. Do your research if you guys are interested in that product. Something that I actually have in here that I haven't tried yet is this Revolution X Jake Jamie Feed Your Face Watermelon Skin Mask. Watermelon, I felt like just kind of was like a trend in skincare there for a minute, and I felt like it was so cute. It has like little black seeds in it, and I just felt like it was gonna look so cute sitting on a shelf in my skincare fridge, so I just had to have it. Then moving on to a TEAMI detox mask. This is their green tea blend, matcha, lemongrass, and clay face mask. And you guys, okay, I love me a clay face mask, but as we all know, in the past I really shot myself in the foot there when I tried the like Aztec clay one, because I mean that just like ignited some acne from hell. And I will tell you guys, I was very skeptical about trying this, because I was like, listen, if another clay face mask gives me another crazy reaction, I'm just gonna cry myself to sleep every night. But after using this, you guys, I really do feel like I woke up in the morning and I was like shocked, because it really just helped brighten my skin. It helped kind of decongest it, if you will. Blackheads on my nose area weren't very apparent anymore, as well as I had like something going on in between my brows, and I felt like it just really helped decongest my skin. Now the directions on this says that it can be used 1 to 4 times a week, and I've only done it twice a week so far, but you guys, I do not regret it. This is a really great mask to try. If you are more on the sensitive skin side, you guys will not be mad at this product. And then of course I have my Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Creams. Really love this for when I'm doing makeup, and for when I just feel like I look exhausted. I'm like, give me some Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, honey, because your girl's looking crazy. Something you guys already know I rant and rave about is my KIEHL'S Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This has been a lifesaver, you guys. I just feel like every time I put this on, I have a huge dose of moisture in my eye area, and I definitely will be repurchasing this. This is my second time using a whole jar of my creamy avocado eye treatment from KIEHL'S. And you guys, if you're looking for a great eye cream, this is gonna be your best bet. KIEHL'S is also a great skincare company. Another product that I want to talk very quickly about that's a face moisturizer is my KIEHL'S Ultra Facial Cream. This is something that is super intense, you guys. Probably not something that you want to wear underneath makeup, because it is very slippery and it's gonna make it super difficult for your foundations and your concealers to stay in place no matter how matte they are. And so I would recommend using this more as like a nighttime moisturizer. Alright, finally moving on to the bottom of the skincare fridge. I want to talk about TEAMI's vit-c tea infused serum. I'm just going to be honest, I haven't been using it long enough to see a drastic change in my skin, but I definitely have noticed, like, when I've woken up in the morning, I'm like, oh damn girl, like, you do look a little bit brighter and you do look a little bit more fresh, and those dark marks look a little bit lighter. So vitamin C serum is super great, you guys, if you want to just re-energize your skin, bring some brightness back to your skin if you guys have skin discoloration. And I feel like this is going to be a really great product. I just have to use it a wee bit more to really give you guys my final thoughts and opinion on this. Moving back into naturally good for you, this is a resurfacing 1% retinol serum, and what retinol does is it basically turns over your skin cells and it helps you shed the dead skin cells that are on your surface. Now the thing with retinols is you can be super sensitive to them, so if you guys are interested in trying this product, just make sure that you guys try it 1 to 2 times a week. Try to kind of cut back on exfoliating as well, because it can be a lot of trauma to the skin very quickly, and I feel like this made a huge difference in my skin. Something else that I like to use to target blemishes, meaning that I just dab it on a blemish here and a blemish there, is the Makeup Revolution 2% salicylic acid targeted blemish serum. So again, this one's really cool because it has a dropper, which I really appreciate, and you guys can kind of just get it on a Q-tip and dab it around your skin. It can make you incredibly sensitive to sunlight, so just make sure that you guys are wearing SPF when using salicylic acids or retinols, or actually in general, because SPF is kind of important. I also use Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is a really great brand, dude. There's so much product in here. Like, I've been using this forever and I've barely even made a dent in this thing, and I feel like if you're somebody that has super dry lips like myself, that thing's your best friend. I wear it all the time. This is actually a really great dupe for this, and I feel like this gives me more hydration than this does. This is Revolution Skincare Hydrating Boost Lightweight Hydrating Gel Cream. It is a really great moisturizer for normal to dry skin, because I feel like it just gives your skin just enough hydration and it preps your skin beautifully for makeup application. I also really like to keep some of the Ordinary skincare products on hand, and this is their lactic acid 10% HA. It's a high strength lactic acid and it's a peeling formula, so you guys have to be super careful with this product, just like you have to be super careful with this product. I feel like this is one of the few products that is affordable, that I can use, and I know I'll get results with, so that's why I really enjoy using the Ordinary products. So the rest of these products I've purchased from Revolution Skincare, which I found at Ulta. These two products I haven't even got around to trying either, so that's just keeping it 100 with you guys. Last but not least, this has actually turned out to be one of my favorite moisturizers. Clean & Clear came out with a watermelon gel moisturizer. It's actually really good. It smells incredible. It smells like you cut a watermelon and rubbed it all over your face. I feel like it literally fills in pores and lines. I know it sounds crazy and it looks incredible under makeup. So if you guys are looking for a super affordable moisturizer, check out the Clean & Clear watermelon gel moisturizer. Okay, you guys, that is gonna wrap up what is inside my skincare refrigerator video for today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, everything's listed down in the description box. If you guys have a skincare refrigerator, drop a comment. Let me know what are some of your favorite items that you guys have inside your mini skincare fridge. And without further ado, Glam Fam, I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.